As you can see, I showcase Bohol Pintados because during pre-colonial times, Visayan people are full-bodied tattoo. So, kaya sa mga painting ko po, pinipresent ko na parang meron siyang mga tattoo because during that those time, pre-colonial times, tattoos are sign of bravery. And then, as you can see in the upper part, yan po yung version ko and interpretation ko of Francisco Daguhoy, a Boholano Boholano hero. And then this one is my version of Tamblot, which is also a Boholano hero. And then, as you can see, there are writings or scriptures here. It is called Iskayan scripture, Iskayan writings. So it is a native from Bohol. So kaya yung pinipresent ko dito is all about the culture and the identity of being a Boholano. So tinataas ko lang yung kultura natin bilang Pinoy, bilang isang Bisaya, bilang isang Boholano. So yun po yung ini-exhibit natin dito sa Paris.
Natutuwa po kami sa pagkakataon na madala po yung mga sining ng ating mga kababayan mula Pilipinas dito sa Pransya, lalo na dito sa Paris Art Week. Ang konsepto